So per unit cell. So means what? 8 into 1 by 8 is equals to 1. So this one I have written here. Already I have explained you this in yesterday's topic, how we have got 8 into 1 by 8. 8 into per unit cell means total 8 corners into only one unit cell we are considering. So that's why we have got 1 by 8. 8 into 1 by 8 cancel means 1 we are getting. So 1 into 4 by 3 pi. So r cube we have found that a by 2 into cube by a cube into 100. Okay. So a cube will get cancelled. Volume of the unit cell. Total 3 edge lines we are taking now. So that's why we are getting the a cube here. A cube will cancel. After considering means after calculating these all, 4 by 3 into pi is nothing but 22 by 7. Okay. So after calculating this all, we'll be getting the value 52.4% is occupied by the spheres. 52.4% is occupied by the sphere in a simple cubic cell. So what is the empty space? How much empty space is there? How to find that empty space? That one, empty space is equals to 100 minus 52.4. If we do means 47.6% we are getting. So this is the empty space in simple unit cell, and space occupied by the spheres is 52.4. okay. So this is nothing but the simple unit cell of packing efficiency. Next one, let us take the body centered unit cell. Okay, body centered means what? 8 corners plus 1 atom, we call it as body centered. So how we will be getting here? 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 1 means what? 8 corners. Okay, 1 by 8 where we have got here, 1 by 8 is nothing but only one unit cell we are taking, that's why 1 by 8 per unit cell, plus only one atom is present. 1 into 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So this is nothing but Z value here for body centered cubic unit cell. Now let us take a cube. Okay, so in body centered unit cell, I am taking complete a sphere. Means what? This, by touching the atom, this is one sphere I am taking, and here also this is one sphere and this is one sphere I am considering. Okay, so let us take A, B, C, D. So this is edge length A, as I told you, for BC edge length A, CD edge length A. So here half of the distance if I consider, this is R and this one half. So let us take a sphere. This half you will be getting R, and from this half you will be getting R. Yes or no? So in the same way, if I am taking a full sphere, for this half I am getting this R, for this half I am getting R. So for this one R total, this is the R radius distance. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, from your maths you will be knowing Pythagoras theorem means, according to Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equals to AC square. See, AD square is equals to AC square plus CD square. Okay, according to Pythagoras theorem, what am I? AD square equals to AC square plus CD square. Now let us take AD. AD means here to here 1 R, here to here 1 R, here to here 1 R. Total how many R's we are having? 4 R. If you substitute this one in, 4 R square is equals to AD square. Again from Pythagoras theorem, if you have taken AC square, this is AC square. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, according to Pythagoras theorem, what? AB square plus BC square. AC square is equals to. Now AB square means what? AB means what? What is the edge length? A square. Why? Because it is AB square. And coming to BC, this is the edge length A square. Total how much we are getting? 2A square. From equation 1 and 2, if we add this, 4R square at AD square place, and at AC square we will be getting 2A square, at CD square we are getting A square. Okay, this CD, no, this is also edge length A. So here A square. How much we are getting? 4 4s are 16 R square plus 3A square. Here we have to find the radius, no. So R is equals to square root. It will come means root of 3 by A. Square root will cancel A, and 4 square means 16. So square root will get cancelled 4. So this is about the calculation of radius in body centered cubic unit cell. Okay. Next, packing efficiency. Calculation of packing efficiency here. So what is the formula of packing efficiency here? Z into volume of the atoms occupied by the space into 100 divided by volume of the unit cell. Okay. Now what is the Z we have got here? 2. How we have got Z value? 8 into 1 by 8. Unit cell means corners into per corner plus 1 into 1. What? How 1 we have taken here? Here only one atom is present, that's why I have taken 1. So that's why we have got Z value 2. What is the formula of volume of the cube? Volume of this sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi into, what is the value we have got? R value. So that is, this value is substituting here, R value. And what is the volume of the unit cell? A cube. Okay. So here A cube will get cancelled. 4 will be get cancelled. If we substitute pi value and this all by calculating, we will be getting 68% here. So the space occupied by body centered is 60. How much space occupied? 68%. So what is the empty space remains in this? 100 minus 68 is equals to 32% is the empty space of the body centered cubic unit cell. Okay. Next, coming to face centered cubic unit cell. So face centered cubic unit cell. So what do you mean by face centered cubic unit cell here? So let us take, this is the cube and we means 8 corners plus 6 faces. So here see, 8 corners we are taking here and 6 faces we are having. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. So these are the 6 faces. These are the 6 faces. Okay. Per each face, if we consider only one face, that one will be 1 by 2. So 8 into 1 by 8, 1. 2 1s are 2 3s are 1 plus 3 4. This is about Z value. So now let us find the radius. Okay. So here I am taking only one path. That is only this one I am taking. Okay. So in the middle I am placing one atom and A, B, C, D like this 4 atoms. Edge lengths you have known. So now let us find the radius. Here this is 1 R, this is 1 R, this is 1 R and this is 1 R. Total 4 R. So again from Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square we are taking. So AC how much we are having? Total 4 R's. That is 4R square equals to AB square equals to A square, BC square equals to A square. 16R square equals to 2A square. R square equals to 2A square by 16. 2 1s are 2 8s are. If you find square root of this, square root will get cancelled for A and 4 into 2. So 4 means 2 square. So square will get cancelled and 2 into root 2. This is the radius we have found it here. Now coming to packing efficiency. It is, what is the formula? Z into volume of the atom occupied by space and volume of the unit cell, total volume of the unit cell into 100. So Z we have got here 4 and 4 by 3 pi r cube. R cube value we are substituting here into 100 by A cube. A cube will get cancelled, and after that doing calculation of this all, after cancelling this all, we will be getting 74% is the packing efficiency of the face center cubic unit cell. So the empty space occupied here is 100 minus 74% is 26% is the face center cubic unit cell. So this is about the closed pack structures. and also what packing efficiency, how to calculate packing efficiency, closed package structures and voids. So this is about today's topic. Thank you.